At clinics like this, we're able to just focus on patient care. I can help anyone who walks in here. I can just do what I was trained to do, care for people, take away their pain, make them happier.
Personally, I feel like that's kind of why we're on this earth, is to help one another out, and there's certainly people in need, and so I think we're kind of called to do that. Can't really think of a better way to do that with the skills that we have as dentists.
This is at least going to get some people out of pain. They're walking around with an infection or broken teeth. We're also going to help get their self-esteem back if we can fix some front teeth or maybe give them a small denture.
This clinic is run very much like a dental practice. We have the same standard of care that you would get if you went into a dental office. And so that includes a lot of taking of medical histories, lengthy documentation of the treatment that we're providing and recommending.
At the end of these clinics, the paperwork storm was just a nightmare. Collecting 2,000 patient charts and filing them. If somebody needed an access chart, who would get it? And how did you get it to the next person? And pulling and filing and faxing, and it was just a big waste of time.
So the Ricoh scanners have allowed us to, with limited amount of manpower and human resources, take a tremendous amount of data and digitize it.
Everything will be scanned quickly before we leave the site. The paper records can be safely destroyed so that patient information is kept confidential, and doctors who need access to the information to care for patients who might have a problem after the clinic can quickly get that information and safely.
To have somebody quickly come in with a quality machine like Ricoh makes and have very readable, legible documents that we can retrieve at any time, that really made what we're doing possible for all these patients. I think a lot of dentists came here thinking they were going to provide things for others, but they wound up getting more out of it than they expected. The smiles are on both sides.